Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. I'm here currently on the daily time frame for XRP, and we can see that the market continues to hold below very important resistance levels. The situation here hasn't really changed, and XRP has been moving in this sideways range basically all year. We zoom out a little bit, we haven't done that for quite some time. Then we see that there is a potential, I have to zoom out even a little bit more. There is a potential that the price completed an Elliott Wave triangle here in July 2024. So basically A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. I haven't labeled the whole triangle, yeah, but this is sort of the idea, right? A sideways triangle, which then resulted in a fifth wave advance, a fifth wave to the upside, and that fifth wave to the upside could be unfolding still. And in this fifth wave we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and this could be a wave 5. So we have 5 waves to the upside. That fifth wave should still be unfolding, or well, it could be unfolding already, but it should still happen if this is the correct wave count. I mean, essentially this is what we're tracking, and I've been tracking this support area all year between $1.20 and $1.55. This support zone is holding for now, and further upside is possible against the $1.21 to $1.55 area. This would be standard Fibonacci support I'm watching in this scenario. Ultimately, though, well, you know, I can track support levels all day long. What we really need is enough upside momentum to drive the price above key resistances, and this really hasn't changed. I mean, this here is range-bound price action in the very short term. We have 269 to 279 resistance, right? So it remains my view that there is a case for upside, but we need to hold 175 to 216. This support zone needs to hold, and I can treat this here as a wave 2 correction that's still unfolding, but we'll take a look at the microstructures on the smaller time frame. I mean, really, it's about breaking above this resistance area. There is simply at the moment, you know, the market is just in a holding pattern, yeah. There are a couple of different scenarios we're tracking here, but really the market doesn't give us the answer at the moment, right? So as you see here, these are the two resistance levels that I want to see broken, 269 to 284. The 269 level is where we had all these previous swing lows here, 26th of September. 22nd of September, 1st of September. So there are important resistances, previous swing lows, which acted as support before. Now they are flipped for resistance, right? So the recent retest from below and sharp decline gives us an answer that the bulls are not ready yet to drive the price higher. We remain caught in this sideways consolidation that we entered, this phase that we entered after the 10th of October flash crash, which definitely damaged morale in the sector. And then we had a swift recovery, and now we're still grinding sideways. I mean, it remains my view that without clear impulsive structures, the price will struggle. Yeah, I haven't seen any 5 waves up here. This was also a 3-wave move up. It ended as a 3-wave move up. And the problem is also the decline looks like 3 waves at the moment. But we talked in the recent videos in this week about this resistance area between 248 and 259. So this is our nearest resistance area. We're currently testing it. Any further downside from here could represent wave C of 3. We might even see a wave 4 and a wave 5. So this is basically an ending diagonal pattern to the downside, which could eventually send us down lower towards 217 to $2.05. Not high confidence because the pullback is in 3 waves so far. This wick is being ignored because it's not visible on any of the main exchanges. Might be a glitch here on Bitstamp. But yeah, pressure is downward against $2.59, $2.60, and above we have this larger, really significant resistance area. So yeah, honestly, you know, it's just a tracking exercise. Yeah, we're waiting to see clear impulsive structures and signals that the bulls are driving the price above 269. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You can find additional charts here that we don't cover on YouTube. You know, sometimes we ask you what you want to see here, and so yeah, feel free to join as well. Join the community, and I'll post the link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye bye.